Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see the TNSCRT assignment unit 2 real numbers class 9 mathematics. We see the brief notes of each part. In part A, 1 mark questions are given. First one, 2 root 5 into 3 root 2 is equal to 4 options are given. Which option is correct answer? We going to discuss. These two sorts are given. We are going to multiply these two sorts. This is rational part. Multiply these two, we get 2 into 3 6. There is no number, it will be 2. Similarly here also 2, the root index. Multiply these two numbers, 5 into 2 we get 6 root of 10. This is the correct option for this sum, which is given in the D option. 6 root 10 is the correct answer for this one. Second one, square root of 32 plus square root of 50 is equal to. First the two sorts are changed into the simplest form and then we have to add. 32, we have to prime factors. 2, 16 times of 2 is 32, 2, 8 times 2, 4 times and then 2, 2 times 2, 1 time. These are the prime factors of 32. These are the factors. The order of the surd is 2, so we paired 2, 2, then take it out. We get 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 4, remaining root 2. This is the simplest form of root 32. Next we going to simplest form of root 15. Prime factorization of a 50, 2, 25 times of, then 5 times 5, 1 time. Root 50 is right in the form of 2 into 5 into 5. The order of this surd is 2, so pair 2 and take it out. 5 root 2 is the simplest form of root 50. Adding these two surds we get 4 root 2 plus 5 root 2. 4 root 2 plus 5 root 2. So 4 plus 5, 9 root 2 is the correct answer for this one. This answer given in second option, 9 root 2 is the correct answer. Third one, nth root of A into nth root of B is equal to. Easily we can find the answer for this one. It's given in our textbook, page number 65, multiplication property of surds. First point is given this one. Order of the first surd is given n, second one also n. We have to multiply easily nth root of A into B, and we get nth root of AB. This is the multiplication property of surd. For this one we choose correct answer, C, nth root of AB. Nth root of AB this is the correct one. Next, fourth one, scientific notation of 1,02,345 is. This one is given. We have to change this one is in the scientific notation. In this number we have decimal point is here, 0 is added. In scientific notation there is only one number left of the decimal place, remaining numbers are in the right of the decimal place. So we move the decimal point into left 5 steps, 1 2 3 4 5 steps are moved, then we get 1.02345 into 10 power, how many steps we moved? 5 steps, so 10 power 5. This is the scientific notation of this number, which is given in the option C, 1.0235 into 10 to the power of 5. Next, sum number 5. When written with a rational denominator, the expression 3 root 2 by 2 root 3 can be simplified as. Write the given and we have to find rational denominator. In this denominator, root 3 is given. We have to change this into rational form. 3 root 2 divided by 2 root 3 multiply by root 3 and divide root 3. This number change in the form of 3 into root of 2 into 3, 6 divided by 2 into root 3 into root 3 we have 3. Root 3 into root 3, root 9. Square root of 9 is 3. Then simplification, we have root 3, 3 is cancelled. Then we get root 6 by 2. Root 6 by 2 is the correct answer, which is given in the option A. Root 6 by 2 is the correct option. Next, move to 6th sum. Side of a square is 3 into 10 power 4 meters. Its area is. Side of a square is given 3 into 10 power 4 meter. We know area of square. The formula area of square is equal to side into side, side into side. Another form a into a square. So substitute in this side 3 into 10 power 4 into side 3 into 10 power 4. Multiply the part 3 into 3, 9 into 10 power 4 into 10 power 4. We get 9 into the base are same, powers will be added. 10 power 4 plus 4, 8 meter square. This is must. Don't you forget to write m square. The option C is the 9 into 10 power 8 meter square is the correct answer for this one. Move to next sum. 7th one. Which of the following sets is integers? 4 options are given. In this, we have to choose the integer set. First one, 1 by 2 is a fraction number is given, so this is not a integer. Second option, root 2, it's a rational number which is given, it's not a integer. Third one, this is a integer set. This one is correct. Here fourth option, decimal number is given, so this is not a integer set. So option C is the correct answer for this one. C is the correct answer for 7th one. This is the integer set. Next, 8th one. Which one of the following is an irrational number? In this 4 option, we have to find irrational number. First one, 22 by 7 is a rational number. It's a form of p by q. So it's a rational number. Root 16 by 9. It's a also rational number. Root 16 is 4. Root 9 is 3. It's a form of p by q. So it is also a rational number. This is not a irrational number. This is not a rational number. The D option, root 100. Square root of 100 is 10. It's also rational number. So this is not a irrational number. C option, root 5 is the irrational number. So we choose the option C is the correct answer for this one. Next, 9th one. If 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857 bar is not given, it's a non-terminating and recurring number. So it's a rational number. Then we have to find 6 by 7 is given. 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857. It's a recurring number. So we write this 0.142857 etc. We have to find 6 by 7. So write this into form of 6 into 1 by 7 multiply by 6. 6 into given number 0.142857 etc. On multiplying these two we get 0.857142 etc. This is given in the option D. Option D is the correct answer for ninth one. Next, 10th sum. Value of 81 power 1 by 2 is 81 power 1 by 2. It's also square root of 81. 81 is right into the form of 9 into 9 whole power 1 by 2. 9 square whole power 1 by 2 powers multiplied are cancelled. 1 by 2 1 by 2 to 2 cancel, then we get 9. 9 is the square root of 81. 81 power 1 by 2 is equal to 9 is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer for 10th one. These are the 10 sums given in the part A. We give briefly answer. Next we move to part B. Short answers. 11th one. Which arrow best shows the position of minus 3 by 2 on the number line? In number line, 3 arrows A, B, C are given. Which is the correct position of minus 3 by 2? We have to find. Minus 3 by 2 is the given number. Change this number into decimal form. Minus 1 times of 2, 2 remaining 1, 0 added, 5 times of 2, 10. So this number written in the form of decimal part minus 1.5. Arrows A and B noting positive numbers. The arrow C is the not correct position of the number minus 1.5. C only shows the negative number. So C arrow is the correct position of minus 3 by 2. So write like this. It's a easy one sum. Move to 12th sum. Use a fractional index to write root of 15. Given root 15, we have to change fractional index of the given root 15. The root index is 2. We can write fractional index form 15 power 1 by root index is 2. So 1 by 2. This is the fractional index form of root 15. Right answer like this. Fractional index of root 15 is 15 power 1 by 2. Next sum number 13. Multiply root 7 into root 2 into root 4. Given root 7, root 2 into root 4. We have to multiply this root 7 to root 2 into root 4. Value is 2. Square root of 4 is 2. Then we have to multiply 2 into root of the index value of these two sets is 2. Then we have to multiply the numbers 7 and 2. 7 into 2. So 2 into 7 into 2, 14. This is the value of root 7 into root 2 into root 4. 2 into root 14 is the correct answer. Next, 14th. Write the number 3125 in the form of 5 power n. Given number 3125. This number changed into form of 5 power n. Before write to 5 to the power of n, we find factorization of 3125. 5 6 times 625 times, again 5 125 times, again 5 25 times, again 5 5 times, again 5 1 time. The factorization of 3125 is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. The base is same, powers will be added, then we get 5 power 1 2 3 4 5. 5 power 5 is the correct form of 5 power n to the number 3125. 5 to the power of 5 is the correct form of 3125 in the form of 5 power n. Next, sum number 15. Find the value of 625 power 1 by 2. Given 625 power 1 by 2. First we find factorization of 625. 5 125 5 25 times, and dividing 5 5 times, and dividing 5 1 time. 625 prime factors are 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 power 1 by 2. The base are same, powers will be added. 5 power 1 2 3 4, 5 power 4 power 1 by 2. The number in the form of power into the power, so powers will be multiplied. I am multiplying this 5 power 4, 1 times of 4 by 2. I am cancelling, we get 1 times, this one is 2 times, so 5 power 2. 5 power 2 is 5 into 5, 25 is the correct answer for 625 power 1 by 2. This is square root of 625. The value is 25. Part B completed. Next we move to part C. Write in detail. Sum number 16. Find any 5 rational numbers between minus 1 by 2 and 3 by 5. Given 2 rational numbers minus 1 by 2 and 3 by 5. We have to find 5 rational numbers between minus 1 by 2 and 3 by 5. We know a formula for finding rational number between 2 rational numbers a and b. The formula is rational number between a and b is 1 by 2 into a plus b. The given rational numbers, 2 numbers added and divided by 2. We get another rational number between that 2 rational numbers. First we find rational number between minus 1 by 2 and 3 by 5. Substitute in this formula 1 by 2 into a. Here a is minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 plus b is 3 by 5. 3 by 5. 1 by 2 into cross multiplying minus 5 plus 2 times of 3, 6 by 2 into 5, 10. So we get 1 by 2 into adding these two. This is a different symbol. So because number is 6, 6 minus 5, 1 divided by 10. And multiplying these two, 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 10, 20, which is the rational number between minus 1 by 2 and 3 by 5. We find rational numbers between minus 1 by 2, 3 by 5 is 1 by 20. Similarly, we can find between the number rational number between minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 20 here. Similarly, we can find between number here. Similarly, between number here. Similarly, and then fifth number. Using this formula, we get 5 and more than 5 rational number between these two rational number. Using this formula, we find 5 rational number between minus 1 by 2 and 3 by 5. First one is 1 by 20, second one 9, minus 9 by 40, minus 29 by 80, minus 138 by 320, sorry, minus 69 by 160, then final one minus 149 by 320. These are the 5 rational numbers between minus 1 by 2 and 3 by 5. Similarly, we can find more numbers between these two rational numbers using this formula. Next, sum number 17. Simplify 3.7 into 10 power minus 5 into 2 into 10 power minus 3. Given 3.7 into 10 power minus 5 into 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Multiply 3.7 into 2, 7.4 into 10 to the power of minus 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3. 7.4 into base is same 10, 10. Powers will be added. Here two numbers are in same sign, so add 10 power minus 8 is the simplified form of this sum. Write the answer like this. Completed part C. After we move part D, activity. Explain the statement the sum, difference, product of two irrational numbers could be rational or irrational with your own examples. First we go for addition. Let root 3 and minus root 3 be the two irrational numbers. Adding these two irrational numbers, we get root 3 into plus root of minus root of 3 is equal to, this is plus root 3, this is minus root 3, cancel, so we get answer 0. 0 is a rational number. When 0 is a rational number, we adding two irrational numbers, we get rational number. This is one example for this. Second one for, we get answer irrational number. Take root 3 and root 2 be the two irrational numbers. Adding, we get root 3 plus root 2, we get root 3 plus root 2. This is also irrational number. Irrational number. From this we get addition of two irrational numbers can be either rational number or irrational number. Next we go for subtraction. Let root 2 and 2 plus root 2 be the rational numbers, irrational numbers. On subtraction, we get root 2 minus 2 plus root 2 is equal to root 2 minus 2 minus root 2 plus root 2 minus root 2, cancel, we get minus 2. Minus 2 is a rational number. Rational number. Next we root 3 and root 2 with the irrational numbers. Subtracting root 3 minus root 2, we get root 3 minus root 2. This is also irrational number. irrational number. From this we conclude subtraction of any two irrational numbers, either rational number or irrational number. Yes, we go to multiplication. Take two irrational numbers, root 2 into and 2 root 2. Multiplying these two irrational numbers, we get 2 into root 2 into root 2 root 4, that value is 2, so we get 4 is a rational number. This is an example for multiplication of two irrational numbers be rational number. Second one, take root 3 and root 2. These are two irrational numbers. Multiplying these two irrational numbers, we get root 6 is a irrational number. This is an example for two irrational numbers. Multiplying, we get irrational number. From these examples, we conclude that the sum, difference, product of any two irrational numbers would be rational or irrational. Okay students, you hope you enjoy this video. I think it's very useful for everyone. Thank you to all. Keep practice, learn easy, you win sure.